So good morning students. In our previous class we have discussed about chemical combination and chemical decomposition. So chemical combination means a product is formed when two or more elements are combined, elements or compounds to combine is called chemical combination. And chemical decomposition means what? Chemical decomposition is nothing but when a compound decomposes and or splits into its two constituents. It's called chemical decomposition. Now, in this session, let us learn about chemical displacement reaction or displacement reaction. Children, what is meant by displacement reaction? Displacement reaction is nothing but the reaction in which an element displaces another element from a compound and takes its place therein. It's called chemical displacement. Generally, displacement of hydrogen from acids by metals. Displacement of hydrogen from acids by metals. So let us observe small activity how displacement reaction takes place. Take a small quantity of zinc dust in a conical flask. So you can take a zinc dust in a conical flask. This is the conical flask. You can take a small quantity of zinc dust in a conical flask and add dilute hydrochloric acid to it. Diluted hydrochloric acid to it slowly. Now take a balloon. Now you can take a balloon. Take a balloon and tie it to the mouth of the conical flask. And now closely observe the changes in the conical flask and balloon. What do you observe, children? We can observe the gas bubbles coming out from the solution and the balloon bulges out. It becomes big size, bulges out as shown in the figure. Zinc pieces reacts, dilute hydrochloric acid and liberate hydrogen gas. So zinc pieces react with hydrochloric acid and liberate hydrogen gas. So that I can write here in the form of equation. Zn plus 2HCl gives rise to ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Gas is always shown with the up arrow mark. Okay. So in the above reaction, the element zinc displaces hydrogen from zinc chloride, hydrogen and form zinc chloride. Okay. So zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrogen chloride and form zinc chloride and release hydrogen gas. So this is the best example for displacement reaction. Suppose take one more example, children. Suppose take two iron nails and clean them by rubbing with a sandpaper. You can take two iron nails and clean them by rubbing with a sandpaper. Take two test tubes and mark them as A and B. Take two test tubes. This is one test tube. This is one more test tube. And both you can mark them as test tube A, test tube B. Both test tubes. Take about 10 ml of copper sulfate solution. So you can take copper sulfate solution, 10 ml of copper sulfate solution. In each test tube, dip one iron nail in copper sulfate solution of test tube A and keep it undisturbed for 20 minutes. Suppose here copper sulfate is here. Okay. CuSO4 solution and dip one iron nail. Just dip is one iron nail and keep it for undisturbed for 20 minutes. Keep the other iron nail and test tube aside. Now take out the iron nail from the copper sulfate solution and compare with the other iron nail that has been kept aside. So what will happen if you take out the iron nail which was kept in the copper sulfate solution and compare it with the iron nail which was kept aside. Now compare the colors of solutions in the test tube. No doubt, what changes do you observe? Generally, my dear children, you know very well, whenever a iron nail kept in a test tube A, and you will find that iron nail dipped in copper sulfate solution becoming brown. The blue color of copper sulfate solution in test tube A fades. The chemical reaction of activity is as follows. So I write the chemical reaction is again Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. Copper sulfate, when iron plus copper sulfate gives rise to iron sulfate plus copper. So iron is more reactive than copper. So it displaces copper from copper sulfate. This is another example of displacement reaction. So there are some more examples are there for displacement reaction. Zinc plus silver nitrate gives rise to zinc nitrate plus silver. And lead plus copper chloride gives us to lead chloride plus copper. So this is about the example of displacement reaction. And take one more example, one more chemical reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. So what is called double displacement reaction? So in double displacement reaction, say displacement reaction, if two reactants exchange their constituents chemically and form two products, then the reaction is called double displacement reaction. For example, children, lead nitrate PbNO3 taken by S plus 2Ki potassium iodide gives us to PbI2 plus 4NO2 plus O2. 4NO2 plus 2KNO2. 2KNO2. Potassium nitrate PbI2 plus 2KNO3 potassium nitrate. So here in this reaction, when lead nitrate react with potassium iodide, it produce lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. So suppose if you take a pinch of lead nitrate and dissolve it in 5 ml of distilled water in a test tube, take a pinch of potassium iodide in a test tube and dissolve in distilled water. Mix lead nitrate solution with potassium iodide solution. So a yellow colored substance which is insoluble in water is formed, and as it is called as precipitate. The precipitate is lead iodide. This is called precipitate. Precipitate is formed in the beaker. So some more examples also we can give. When sodium chloride spontaneously combines with silver nitrate in a solution, giving silver chloride precipitate and sodium nitrate. So NaCl plus AgNO3 gives to AgCl plus NaNO3. So NaCl plus AgNO3 gives us to AgCl plus NaNO3. So this is precipitate, AgCl. So one more example, sodium hydroxide. You can take sodium hydroxide NaOH plus HCl gives us to NaCl plus H2O, and this chemical reaction also called as neutralization reaction. So here also NaCl is act as a precipitate. Okay, aqueous, water, aqueous and aqueous. Aqueous is what? Which is present in water. The same time sodium sulfate solution mixing with barium chloride NaSO4 plus BaO is taken twice gives us to BaSO4 plus 2 NaCl. So these are the examples for double decomposition reaction or double displacement reaction. Thank you and have a nice day.